So it's no more news that Smart Layer is about to airdrop their users with their token according to their point. So 2 days ago they made a tweet here, and I'm going to read it out. It says, "Now is the time to get this done and be ready for the impending airdrop. Link your smart card plus smart root plus early access program launchpad wallet to your migrated smart pass here." So they get the direct link. So they says Smart Layer will then understand that the total points and the on-chain achievement you have. Note, a Smart Layer pass can be linked to as many wallets that hold and adopted smart cards and smart root launchpad. Now, here is the little problem we people are likely facing. This says because majority of us use our Trust wallet to collect the Smart Layer NFT which they gave to us months ago, around 2 months ago or whatever. I don't know. They say some people are complaining about the wallet connect it's not working with my Trust wallet. A lot of people complained about they are not actually doing this. They says can't see option to connect my Trust wallet. The wallet connect is not working. So in this video I'm going to show you guys what to do and how to do it, because there is a little kind of issue here, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So all I need for you is to follow the guidelines here and try your best to watch this video attentively. But before we continue, if this is your first time coming to my channel, hey, welcome to ZBK Crypto. Welcome to my channel, my homepage, where I drop this kind of content, this kind of update, where I drop crypto update, crypto project that is going to launch and are likely to be doing their airdrop. So if this kind of content interests you, try your best to subscribe to the channel. It's not going to cost you anything. Just subscribe to the channel. You subscribing to the channel is just a way of increasing my followers and my rank on YouTube. I really need it from you guys. And then try your best to turn on the bell icon like this, so that you get notified that this one is for your own good. You get notified whenever I drop updates, so that you will be one of the first people to actually benefit from it, just like my previous subscribers that are actually benefiting from my update here. And lastly, try your best to drop a like. This thing is going to notify YouTube that yes, people are actually getting value from this video, and that means we need to push it to more people. So you liking this video is a way of making my channel go well, and also helping others to get this particular content. And last but not least is to tell me whatever you think in the comment section, because comment section is where I actually be interacting with you guys. And with all this says, let's dive into my main video of the day. Please try best to subscribe and like the video. So in the site which is in your Smart Layer account, there is the place that the requirement for the airdrop that which they asked for. Now they said they recommended for airdrop. So they said we should link our wallet and all this and that. So previously I tried something out and it worked for me, because previously if you click on this particular, it's going to be linked. There's a wallet already there. If you click on link wallet, it's going to take you to the Joy ID. But Joy ID is not where it's not the wallet we used in receiving our smart card NFT. So what I did was to disconnect my wallet over here. So disconnect the wallet and then click on connect wallet. It's going to take you to this particular place where you will select the wallet you will use. So what you do is to click on wallet connect. So if you click on wallet connect, it's going to bring to you several wallets for you to choose. So I'm going to go with my Trust wallet, because this is the wallet I used to receive the Smart Layer Network NFT then. So that's smart card. So I will go over to my Trust wallet now, and it's going to ask me to approve it, and it's going to bring you over to this particular page where you just click on connect over here. And then as you can see now, my wallet is now connected. So what you have to do now, because you have connected the particular wallet, make sure you are using the wallet you use to receive your smart card NFT. So next thing is to click on link wallet, and then it's going to be loading like this. What you have to do now is to go over to your Trust wallet. Just go back to your account and open your Trust wallet. Then you will see a signature request here, where they are going to be asking you to connect to sign in this particular signature request and all these things. So what you have to do is to authenticate it with your any password kind of thing you are doing with your account, and then If you go back to your account, you see now that it says your wallet have been successfully linked to your smart layer pass. So I'm going to click OK here because I don't want to link any other wallet. So you can link as much as wallets there, but I've done this particular one which is really required of me. So this is it for now. At least I've showed you guys what to do, what I did, and how it worked for me. So it took me a long time for me to actually reset this particular error, and I made a video about it while trying to complete my own. So I've done my own, and I hope you guys, this video is going to go a very long way for you guys. If this video solved the problem for you, try your best to drop a like. I really need it from you guys. Drop a like and turn on the bell icon for more updates like this, and don't forget to join my WhatsApp channel from the link in the description of this video, because the new airdrop that is coming up, I'm going to be making videos on it, and I'm going to be sharing it on my WhatsApp channel. So don't forget to join my WhatsApp channel where I'm growing a new community there. So that is it. This is it for now. I hope you guys got value from this. If you got value from me, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell icon for more updates. And with this I said, my name still remains King, and this is ZBK Crypto. See you guys on my next video. Bye.